You see, CA passing average age is 28 years, but only a few students pass or get through CA examination in the first attempt. Particularly, getting through CA at the age of 21 in first attempt is again a very different thing that is being done by CA Prashant Bijaspur. This is all possible because he thinks things in a different way. You see, I am also chartered accountant. I was also in practice for the last 36 years, but till then I was having a small staff. I mean, a 6-7 staff, and myself was carrying on practice. But when he came to practice with me, now the staff has increased to from 6 to 60, and the area of my office has increased from 800 square feet to 2400 square feet, and there is a lot of improvement in professional management quality also.
He is the youngest chartered accountant. At the age of 21, he passed the CA examination. And as Justice Sir tells that education is not found in degrees and certificate. It is one's character and behavior, thoughts and actions. He is a boy of that kind. So he wants to serve the young people of India. They really deserve the help, because many of the youngsters are jobless even after getting the degrees, so that he has his own ideas, so how to create the jobs and how to develop the skills in them, how to make them in the good position financially and even socially also, how the person should be good. So he has a lot of ideas. He believes that every person is a gift of God through parents, and thereby we have to serve our parents and we have to serve our country. There is a gift who may give the return back to our parents as well as to the India as a whole.
Previously, I was having dal industry, but I was not so satisfied with my efforts. So once I met Mr. Prashant Bijaspur regarding my new venture in Unisex Salon, he guided me very good, and the way he motivated me to open this Unisex Salon, even he is one of the key part in my life. So previously I opened my branch in Gulbarga, and immediately after 1.5 years, Mr. Prashant told, why can't you open n number of branches? So I visited Bidar, it's a district place, and I opened my second branch at Bidar. After that, Mr. Prashant told, why can't you open few more branches in entire Karnataka? So I thought, okay, that is a good idea. He each and every time motivates me a lot, and again I have shifted to my third branch that is located in Gulbarga itself. I am planning to open n number of branches in each and every district in Karnataka. With the help of Mr. Bijaspur, I am expanding a lot of business, and his guidance is more important for me.
मुझे प्रशांत बिजेशपुर ऑफिस से काफ़ी कुछ हेल्प मिला है, जैसे कि बिज़नेस डेवलपमेंट समझो आप, और इवन खाली बिज़नेस डेवलपमेंट और इनकम टैक्स ही नहीं है, और हर चीज़ में वो गाइड करते रहते हैं हमें कि नहीं श्याम जी, इस तरह से आप ये कीजिए तो आपको अच्छा रहेगा, इस तरह से आप करेंगे तो और अच्छा रहेगा। इवन स्टाफ को कैसे गाइड करना है, उनसे कैसे काम लेना है। मतलब कि उन्होंने फीस तो लेते हैं सिर्फ अकाउंटिंग की और ये सब चीज़ की, इनकम टैक्स की, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ हमें एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट भी बहुत सारे देते हैं उन्होंने।
CA Prashant Bijaspur, the one of the most ardent, hardworking, enthusiastic chartered accountant and one of the youngest chartered accountant in India. He accountability is ambidextrous and more prudent student where I have witnessed in my lifetime. He is a great thinker, an ardent, a very hardworking candidate, a caliber in this country where he can bring a lot of economic and social reforms. A young and dynamic with enthusiastic meditation, singing, various hobbies where he has witnessed. He is one of the wonderful motivational speaker who has transformed millions of the children in this Hyderabad Karnataka region, which is considered to be the most backward district of this in the entire India.
To begin with, he is an amazing person. He always motivates everyone. He's very optimistic, and he always encourages everyone to follow their goal, no matter what. No matter what difficulties or obstacles we face, we need to always be calm, positive, and face it and do what we want. So, as my teacher, I believe he is a very amazing mentor, a great teacher, as he explains everything with in depth of details, with the development of the topic and everything.
I wanted to become a doctor, but when I met Prashant sir, I motivated by him, and I can see his dedication, commitment, and patriotic towards our country, which made me to I wanted to become like him. So I joined Chartered Accountant, and today I am one of the article assistant under his firm. And today I see him as my idol, and I want to exactly copy him like that only.
He inspires me always.
We started with him, like I was the first client to him. Then we become very friends. Then I thought when I met him, I thought we have a very great person with us. So he has a very big vision, and he always tells that we need to contribute a lot to our country by giving tax, by giving more entrepreneurs. This is how he tells. So it always make me more motivative from him. Whenever he says so many things, I'm so thankful he is my friend, and he's doing great work. Wishes him all the very best.